Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for February 9th, 2026, Part 1. Today's theme is Chocolate Day. Edwina, the dinosaur who didn't know she was extinct. Words and pictures by Willems. Everyone in town knew Edwina. She was the dinosaur who played with the neighborhood kids. She was the dinosaur who did favors for anyone who asked. Edwina helped little old ladies cross the street, and she baked chocolate chip cookies for everyone. Everybody loved Edwina, except Reginald Von Hooby-Dooby. Reginald knew just about everything about just about everything. He liked to give reports in class all about the things he knew. Today he was going to talk about things that are extinct. Specifically, dinosaurs. But as soon as Reginald started, Beth McFeeder asked, "What about Edwina? She's a dinosaur." Then Tommy Britcher said, "Yeah, Edwina can't be extinct. She bakes chocolate chip cookies for us." And then Ms. Mink added, "Maybe Edwina is baking chocolate chip cookies right now." Before he knew it, everyone except Reginald was outside eating cookies. "No one listens to me with that dinosaur around," thought Reginald. "Well, tomorrow I'll prove to the whole town that dinosaurs really are extinct, and poof, Edwina will disappear." The next morning, Reginald handed out flyers that made excellent arguments about how extinct dinosaurs are. They also made excellent hats. When flyers didn't work, Reginald tried protesting. When protesting didn't work, he tried everything he could think of. But no one listened. Finally, Reginald broke down and cried. "Boo-hoo," he sobbed. "Why won't anyone listen to me?" "I'll listen to you," said a voice from behind him. Reginald took Edwina to his classroom. Inside, Edwina listened as Reginald told her the truth about dinosaurs. He was persuasive. He was expressive. He was loud. He was very convincing. Edwina was shocked. When he was done, Reginald felt fantastic. No one had ever listened to him so well for so long. Everything Reginald had said made sense. There was no doubt about it in Edwina's mind. She knew she was extinct. She just didn't care. And by then, neither did Reginald Von Hooby-Dooby. The end. Okay, our craft is a chocolate chip number match. So your craft to go kit includes a giant chocolate chip cookie with numbers on it, and then these chocolate chips that also have numbers on them, which we will match to the numbers on the cookie. What you'll need is crayons, markers, or colored pencils. I'm using crayons, and a glue stick, which mine has seen better days. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to color the cookie, and we're going to color the chocolate chips. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and come back and we'll glue the chocolate chips to the numbers. Okay, I've finished coloring, so I'm gonna look. I went number 1. I look for number 1, and you see they match 1 and 1. So I'm gonna put a little glue on the back and stick it on, and then 2 matches with 2. Put a bit of glue. 3 matches with 3. 4 matches with 4 here. 5 matches with 5. And 6 matches with 6. Now I've got them all glued on, so I have my chocolate chip cookie.